All right, we're going to design a t-shirt, and with the Cricut, you have to go in the Cricut design space and then find this one here, which is classic t-shirts. And then you'll select that, and here's where you'll start to work on your text. All right, so we're going to do a shirt that says hashtag found it on Amazon. You get a lot of options for like text size. There's all these different fonts. You just got to pick the one that you like. And then once you select one, then you can make the size however you want. All right, so we selected our font. We can't go much bigger because it's so wide, but you can move it up and down where you want it on the t-shirt. Like you don't probably want it like up against your neck. You don't want it, you know, below your chest probably. Probably want it something like this right above the armpit area, I would think. So somewhere right around there. And because of the grid, you can make sure it's even on both sides. A few things worth pointing out here is you want to filter by the fonts that you actually have. That's a good idea. So if you click on the item itself and then font, you'll see this filter option up here. And then click on the ones you actually have. And then you can select the different font that you want. And then get it to the size you want. You can leave it proportion, or you can unlock it up here. Like I've got it, unlocked right now. That way I can kind of move around however I want, based on the size of material I have. Like right now, our sheet that we have to print on needs to be this square size because we don't have the long one. So I had to make it where it was under, it fit in the 12 inches which is the paper, or the vinyl, I should say. So really it had to be about 11.5 inches wide in order to fit on here. And now it is fit on there and ready to print. So check out the Cricut when you go to open it, how cool it kind of opens up, almost like a Tesla or something opening. All right, so we're rolling out the, what do you call it, like vinyl?
Yes, iron on.
It'll iron on is what'll happen. So this is putting on the mat that'll go in there.
You need to click it to mirror for iron.
Mirror.
Move it make sure it's under those. You can click fast mode.
Fast mode. And you're also going to undo it over here. And so theoretically, everything that cut out should stay.
Yeah. No.
It's like melted pizza cheese.
Yeah. Okay, pause.
All right, so you have to use this little tool here and pick out all those little parts, but now it is ready to be ironed on. All right, so now we've done some measuring and centered this where we wanted it to be. Got the iron ready and hot, and now you just simply iron on. And that's how you custom make a t-shirt using the Cricut.